Hi, I'm Akanksha from Labels and Labeling, and I'm here at the Avery Dennison stand at Labelexpo India 2024 with Pankaj and Saurabh. So, Pankaj, I'd like to start with you. What's new at Avery Dennison?
Well, a lot. And let me start by first sharing that we have unveiled a new vision of the enterprise, which in a sense says that together we solve world's most complex problem through physical and digital solutions. In the ecosystem that we work, there are four types of fundamental challenges that we believe we can contribute to. Advancing sustainability through circularity and bespoke sustainability solutions, reducing waste and improving performance, helping ecosystem to unlock efficiency and productivity, and connecting brands with consumers. We believe our solutions and our capabilities can make possible to have a clear impact on these four challenges areas, and hence our underlying message is that with our ecosystem we are making possible. Making possible is our new tagline, which essentially captures what's new.
That is interesting. Saurabh, so would you like to comment on trends that you've been seeing in India?
Some very interesting trends. Of course, something that we have always talked, which is the premiumization, which is something which has been continuing for some time now. We are seeing a very heavy push on sustainability, both from the regulatory side and also the pull coming from the consumers and brands. Digitization is a big shift that's happening, where there's more and more intelligence that's getting expected from the packaging, and then we are seeing a lot of expectations going up in the performance space, which is beyond decoration, what labels can do and what packaging can do.
And are there any interesting products that you would like to that you are focusing on at the show?
Absolutely.
So, are there any interesting products that you're focusing on at the show?
Absolutely, some very interesting products. In the intelligence space, we now have an inlay, India-specific inlay, which has been designed for the Indian requirements, Indian conditions, frequency, humidity. A lot of products in the sustainability space. There's a lot of new R content that's coming. It's also something that's mandated from an EPR standpoint, and also something that ties very well with our 2030 sustainability agenda. You'll see some good premium substrates, and also in the performance space, solar, automotive, some good interesting stuff that we have now.
Wow, that's a lot of interesting things they're talking about. So, Pankaj, you're traveling from Singapore. How has your experience been at Labelexpo India?
But first of all, it's coming home for me. I've been attending these shows for quite some time now, and the first thing that struck me was it seems brighter. I am seeing happier faces. Essentially, I think the show is extending in its reach. We are seeing more participation from the industry players. India is the brightest spot in the global economy, and it is no surprise that the show is getting bigger and more attendance is coming. So I'm very excited saying that there's a lot of local innovations being talked about. There are energy from the global players, and general participation is improving. So great situation to be in.
Right. So my last question to you, Saurabh, is how would you summarize 2024 in India, that year?
Oh wow, that's a tough question. It's been an amazing year, but if I have to really use words which are impacting our industry, I will say intelligence and sustainability.
Thank you so much.